Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $11 to $15 per hour just doing the side hustle from your local area, and you can make some extra money from home this way. And I'm going to show you all the things that you need. So this is also a great way to help other people while doing it. So let me get started right now and show you exactly where this is. Alright, since you're on my channel, I just want a quick shout out to the link that you should go to if you want to find out how I make money online, because I make big money online, okay? I don't use what I'm going to show you today. So if you want to see what I do, I use affiliate marketing. This is the business model that I love to use. So that's how you make big money online, guys. So this is the link on my channel art right here on the right. Make a big money here. This is the link that you need to click, alright, guys? So let's check out what I want to show you today. This is what I want to show you today. Instacart. Instacart is a service that anyone can use to get groceries delivered to their door, okay? So this is the site that anyone wants to go and get their groceries delivered, and these are the stores that people can shop at for them. And so look, you get products you love, same day delivery, save time and money, and there's deals and blah, 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 right? So but where do you and I come in if we want to make money with this? Right here, you can say, interested in a great way to make money. You go to the bottom here and you click become a shopper, okay? Once you click that, you will come to this page, okay? So for the first page, you just go to instacart.com, okay? It's very easy. Or you just go to Google and type in Instacart and you get to that first page. And then you go to the bottom, you click that be a worker here. So here, when you get paid to shop, so you basically, there are two types of positions that you can apply for here, okay? You could be a household hero, from families to seniors, make somebody's day every day. So you go and help people do the grocery shopping for them. And this is what I'm talking about earlier when I said you can help people, you can help a lot of people in this way. Flexibility to meet your needs. Earn with Instacart while balancing work and life. Choose your personal path. Be your own boss or develop a career path as an employee. It's up to you. Oh, so you can be your own boss or actually be an employee of theirs, okay? So Instacart connects customers with shoppers to deliver fresh groceries to their door. There's a 2-minute video here that you guys can check out. So what's the right fit for you? So basically there's two things that you can work here at, okay? You could be an independent contractor, so meaning that you are going to be a full service shopper and you're going to do the shopping and then also deliver the orders, okay? So you're not going to be an employee, so that means you're going to be in charge of your own expenses, you're going in charge of your own car and etc. And you're going to choose your own hours, and then you're going to use this app. So you're just going to work with Instacart. You're not going to be an employee. Now here, you can be an employee if you don't want to be your own boss and you want to get hired as an employee. You could be an in-store shopper, okay? When somebody submits an order, you could do the shopping for that order in store. So you're going to be a part-time employee and you don't need a car for that, and then it's going to be flexible schedule and you're going to do shopping only. So you don't need to drive or anything like that. So if you're going to work for yourself, then you need to do the full service, okay? So if you want to be an employee, this is a quick summary of what you'll be looking at here. You're going to start earning quickly. You're going to get paid weekly. You're going to work with a great team, set your own schedule, hand select the customer's orders in store and bag for pickup. And you gotta be 18 and over. You gotta be eligible to work in the United States, have consistent access to and be able to effectively use a recent smartphone, and be able to lift between 30 to 40 pounds with or without an accommodation. Okay, so you're going to be doing a little bit of lifting because you don't know what people are going to order, and so you need to be able to carry all the groceries that is in that order. Okay, so if you want to get paid to shop as a full service shopper and be your own boss, this is how it will work. We're on a mission to revolutionize grocery shopping. Our technology gives customers access to their favorite stores online. so they can order groceries from anywhere. Full service shoppers receive these orders through an app on their smartphone and then shop and deliver groceries to customers' door. Start earning quickly and get paid weekly. Select hours based on your own schedule and then shop and deliver to customers' orders. Get to know the city by delivering to new and familiar areas. And then here for the basic requirements, you will need to be an adult here and be eligible to work in the United States. You need to have your own car and you need to be able to use a phone, a smartphone, and also be able to carry groceries basically, okay? So if you're someone that's already doing some sort of delivery service already, that's what they're saying here. If you are doing some kind of ride sharing or kind of driving network already, this is going to be easy for you to join and it'll be no brainer for you to take this on very easily. So you will need to kind of review the contract here, their agreement, and make sure that you comply and everything like that. So I'm just going to go to Indeed to see how people like it. They have a 2.8 star review on Indeed.com. Indeed is a very legit review site, so this is pretty accurate. 2.8 is above average, so it's not the best working place, but you do have an opportunity here to make some money on the side, okay? So I'm here on Glassdoor now to check out their reviews here, and they have posted in-store shoppers and how much they're getting paid. So it's between 11 to about $18 per hour here. As you can see, drivers $15, $16 an hour. But I also found this other site here on Ridester saying that Instacart actually was publishing that they do advertise that drivers can make up to $25 per hour during busy times. So because you are working for yourself, it does really depend on how many orders you get on your app. And if you're doing a good job and you get to be rated really well, then you're probably going to get more jobs on your app, okay? So they're saying it's rare to hit that $25 number, but you are going to be looking at anywhere between 7 and 20 per hour, averaging 11 per hour. So there is no guarantee, of course, of this type of work because it is as it comes in, okay, guys? Now, as I was saying in the beginning, I don't do this kind of job because I work strictly online. And if that's something that you want to look into instead, then check out that link that I showed you in the beginning of the video where you can see on my channel art, you can click that link where it says make big money here. And I will show you exactly how I use affiliate marketing to make money online, a full-time online income. And basically you need to just learn some online skills and take on the same program that I've been using to learn this so that you can do it properly, okay guys? Making money online, I have to say that it is not as easy or fast as people think. So doing a side hustle like this can help you kind of bridge that gap while you're trying to build up your online business basically, okay? So you could do something like this, like Instacart, to kind of get you going because you get to get paid weekly on Instacart, but when you're building an online business, it's going to take a little bit more gradual time to build and earn. So keep that in mind, guys. There's no quick money online. So remember that, okay? No matter what people say to you, they're just selling their own product, guys, okay? Don't get scammed on these fast methods because if you want to make real money online, it takes work and it takes time, okay, guys? If you're willing to put it in, you can make big money like I do, okay, guys? I hope I see you on there, okay? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. Okay, guys, I hope you make big money soon. And I hope I see you on the next video. So bye for now.